Hello guys! Welcome to Visit Dubai today. For those who are still not subscribers, please do click the subscribe button and click the bell button for new video updates. On this video, we're going to learn and familiarize with one of the busiest metro, the Burjuman Metro Station. Burjuman Metro Station is one of the interchange stations where the red line and the green line intersects. The other station is Union Metro Station. Just a quick background. The original name of Burjuman Metro Station is Khalid bin Al-Walid Metro Station and was later changed to Burjuman Metro Station in 2012. This is the top view of Burjuman Metro Station, showing you the 4 exits. Burjuman Shopping Center is here. Day to Day is here. You could also use this to go to Al Sif. Burjuman Station has 3 levels, wherein on the first level, you can find their shops and recharge area. On the second level, you can see there the green line train, and on the third level, the red line train. You can also recharge here with the help of an agent. To access the train, you can tap your Knoll card here. After tapping, you now have access to Green Line Platform Level 2. After getting down, we are now in the Green Line Platform, where we can use to get inside the train. When you are in the second level, you have access to both the red lines. After getting down, you are already on the third level where the red line platform is located. So if you're going to exit, just move up 2 levels up for red line and 1 level up for green line. If you are in green line and want to transfer to red line, you just have to go down. Likewise, going up if you want to transfer from red line to green line. And if you are still lost, you can always ask someone. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, and see you on our next video. Bye!